We're touring a Pennsylvania country home set on 5.4 acres, where open land, privacy, and a well-kept Cape Cod-style residence come together in a peaceful rural setting. As you arrive, the property immediately feels open and usable, with level ground stretching across most of the acreage, and just a gentle slope adding natural character to the land. The main living areas are well proportioned, creating a warm and livable environment that works for families, seasonal use, or full-time residents. The home has been well maintained, giving it a solid foundation for future personalization if desired. One of the standout features of the property is the garage setup. A spacious two-car detached garage includes additional storage space above, making it ideal for hobbies, equipment, workshop use, or extra storage needs. In addition, there is a one-car garage located